You might have seen people writing with different slants. This is a straight one. There are people who write with the forward slant. There are people who write with the back slant. Have you seen this time? This we call it as A. This we'll call it as C. This we'll call as F. This is known as F slant. This is known as C slant. This is known as A slant. People with A slant. These people are extremely logical, head over heart. There are a lot of people who are very logical, very head over heart. All decisions they make is with the head. These are the people who have got some early responsibilities in life. All A slant people, what responsibilities they have got? They have got a responsibility to manage the house. They have got a younger brother. They have got early financial responsibilities. Early financial responsibility is the responsibility where you are not ready to take the responsibility. You are not ready to take the financial responsibility, and a lot of burden has come on you. All these people have got A slant. How many of you have got A slant? See, so many people have got A slant. Logical, head over heart. Whatever they purchase, whatever they purchase through the head. Meaning, absolutely logical. It's very difficult for them to just waste their time. They'll always use the time very, very systematically. They won't like to waste time. And because they are very sensible, extremely sensible, they are not the best of husbands. Sensible people don't make best husbands. Because they are sensible. Just imagine. They don't make the best of husbands. Because if you have got to be a good husband, then you have to be slightly insensible. You have to talk insensible. You have to tell your wife that tu chand hai. When the sensible things say that she is not chand. So, and because this person is so logical, so systematic, then he doesn't become best of husband. वो nonsense बात नहीं करता. So A slant people, logical, head over heart, early responsibilities. C slant people, they express their emotions freely. A slant people, I'm just coming to A slant, these people will always buy things. If they buy shirt, if I'm A slant, then if I buy this shirt, I'll think that I can use this shirt in the lecture, I can use it for party, I'll think various features for this. But C slant person will buy on impulse because of the collar, because of the button. So whenever this A slant person goes to a shop, he'll feel, he has got a strong feeling कि ये दुकानदार ने ये शर्ट क्यों रखा है, कौन खरीदेगा इसको? ये बटन और कॉलर को देख के बोलता है, लेकिन कौन खरीदेगा मालूम इसको? C slant. The C slant person wants to express himself. He would like to, emotions को वो express करता है. इसके लिए ये लोग वो शर्ट खरीदते हैं. और ये क्यों होता है मालूम? C slant, क्योंकि their parents have given them lot of emotional liberty. Lot of emotional liberty has been given to this person. That's why he has got a C slant. एक D slant भी होता है. वो तो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर देता है हर जगह पे. जस्ट इमेजिन, मैं आप लोगों से पूछ रहा हूं, अगर आपके मन में जो भी बात है आपने एक दिन भी एक्सप्रेस कर दी तो क्या होगा? सोचो क्या होगा. जस्ट इमेजिन, वट एवर यू फील इन लाइफ, इफ यू एक्सप्रेस, good things will happen or bad things will happen, isn't it? So this person ये तो एक्सप्रेस कर देता है अपने आप को. अगर आपकी वाइफ पूछी कैसी दिख रही हो, मैं कैसी दिख रही हूं, आपने एक दिन सच बता दिया तो, अगर बता ही दिया तो क्या होगा? तो आपने सच बता दिया, एक्सप्रेस कर दिया अपने आप को. जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट विल हैपन. सो दिस पर्सन सिंपली एक्सप्रेसेस हिमसेल्फ. He just expresses his emotions freely. I'm just giving example, a lighter example, but on a very serious note, if a person really expresses himself, there will be a lot of issues. And there is a further D slant. We don't have children today with further slants A, B, C, D. We don't have children because no parents can afford to have children with D slant. Certain scripts with the Peshwas used, that Moody script, or those scripts had D slant. Those scripts had D slant. That's why they expressed themselves absolutely uncontrolled. इसलिए इसको मार डालो, इसको काट डालो, वो जो फीचर था ना, वो कंसेप्ट का फीचर था वो. I have seen a lot of Peshwai scripts having those particular slants. That's why it was very difficult for them to restrain. Those scripts had this. F slant, the slant which is back slant. Are you getting this? Are you in position to see that? F slant are people who are back slant. The slant which goes back. These are the people. ये लोग वो लोग होते हैं जो लोग अपने एक्सप्रेशन को, अपने इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते. They are not simply in position to express their emotions. They simply do not express their feelings. वो अपने फीलिंग्स को एकदम दबा के रखते हैं. किसी जूस बार के सामने ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि मुझे जूस पीना है. जूस बार जाने के बाद बोलेंगे कि तुमको समझता नहीं मुझे जूस पीना चाहिए. तो they simply restrict their expression of emotions. It is not good because they feel very lonely. This happens because they have not been allowed to express their emotions. They are not been allowed to. Their parents have been strict. Certain parents are strict, and lot of schools do not allow the child to have F slant. अगर आपके बच्चा का F slant होता है ना, तो वो स्कूल आपको बुला के बोलती है कि आपके बच्चे का F slant है. We do not want the child to have F slant. Please repair the child. Please take care of the child. So this is what happens. This is F slant. ये अच्छा बात नहीं माना जाता.